Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I want to present about our final project proposal. Our project title is Clay, Paddy, Husk and Sawdust Brick. And for my supervisor name is Puan Siti Mariam Yusof. Okay, these are my group member. For the first one, as the leader, I'm Muhammad Ridwan bin Muhammad Ghazali. My metric number is 13 DKA 19 F2022. And then Muhammad Daniel Ikwan bin Ahmad Setia. The metric number 13 DKA 19 F2020 2012. And then Muhammad Fazil bin Said Alauddin, metric number 13 DKA 19 F2032. And then last Muhammad Saiful Haziq bin Zaini, number metric 13 DKA 18 F1157. Okay, for the first one is content. There is 14 content in our slide. For the first one is brief introduction of project, and then problem statement, and then objective of project, and scope of the project. And then design thinking 1, design thinking 2, design thinking 3, design thinking 4, and design thinking 5. Also, we put methodology of chart, Gantt chart, project cost estimating, and expected result that we want, and reference. Okay, now we move on to the introduction. For introduction of our project is our final project called Clay, Paddy, Husk and Sawdust Brick is design brick for industry construction such as to build walls, pavement and other elements. And this is because the construction industry still use clay brick other than other bricks such as lime brick and concrete brick at the site construction. This means that this nowadays the construction still use the normal brick for their site construction. And then the condition of the clay brick sometimes have crack and some defect because of the durability and strength of clay brick by itself. It's not 100% fully strength, and the durability is normally not strong enough. So the use of natural materials for industry construction is a must in supporting the achievement of green earth. Hence, we use clay, paddy husk and soda as an additive in the clay brick mixing to study the strength of the combination, which means that we mix these two material into our clay brick to improve the durability and the strength of our product.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Fazil bin Sheikh Alauddin, and I want to talk about the problem statement. Okay, first, Zakaria bin Awang is the maiden name. Said that the existing brick easily crack when fall because of its weight and its durability. Next, research of Eric Fabriani from UNS 2012 said that the durability between fully clay brick and mixed clay brick are the mixed clay brick durability increased 20% from normal clay brick. Next. Alright, next I want to talk about the objective from our product. Okay, first, design a brick that has less weight. It can make easily for people use that for their construction or some else. Okay, second, I want to talk about the objective also, but compare durability with existing bricks. Okay, next, scope of research from our project. Okay, this study focusing on mixing two mixture that is paddy husk and sawdust. These two mixtures are helping increasing the durability of brick, then can decreasing the weight of brick. These bricks were created at Tian Mi Brick Sendirian Berhad at No 1692 Jalan Paka, Kampung 6, 23,000 Dungun, Terengganu. Also here, we are run compression test on our brick. That's all from me. Thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Muhammad Saiful Haziq bin Zaini, and I will continue our presentation
and I will present to you about design thinking stage 1. So our user is Mason, and our Mason name is, we call him Poya. So the problem that Mason has stated for us is, first, the weight of the clay brick, and second, its durability. So the needs to overcome the problem is, first, we have to design, or we need a brick that has less much weight than the other brick, and two, to overcome the durability, we have to mix Paddy Husk and Sawdust into our clay brick. The design thinking stage 2, we had done our interview with Poya. So we asked him, based on your experience, other clay bricks are heavy during installation, and he said, based on my experience, clay bricks are much heavier than the other brick. So we asked them again, is the clay brick are solid or not during the installation? And Poya said, for my opinion, I think the clay brick is easily cracked and broken during the installation, especially when it's fall. So our title is Clay Brick with Paddy Husk. The year is 2013. The author Eri Febriani. The objective for the design thingy is to find the differences between normal clay brick and mixed clay brick durability. So the method is, clay brick was made by fully clay. Then Paddy Husk used as extra material that used to increase the durability. So the needs is, normal brick got compression result 41,301 MPa, and mixed brick got 4,238 MPa. So the conclusion is, the idea give result that the mixed brick durability higher than normal brick. So the design thinking stage 3, the idea is to design a brick can reduce the weight and mix with Paddy Husk and Sawdust. So the solution is, we have to mix the brick clay with Paddy Husk and Sawdust. This idea can increase the durability of brick, because molecular grip is higher than none of other mixed material. This idea already tested on Paddy Husk, and the result increasing durability by 20% by itself. Thank you.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Dini Ikhwan bin Ahmad Setia. My metric number is 13 DKA 19F 2012, and I proceed with design thinking stage 4. This is our design brick. First, lighting design from original brick. Number 2, the durability increased 20% from according to the research. And lastly, material from disposal. I'm go to with design. We use the same size from original brick. The size is 100 for the wide, 80 for height, and 200 millimeter for length. Diameter hole we use is 14 millimeter. Space hole we use 3 meter from wide, 80 millimeter from length. Okay, and proceed with design thinking stage 5. Compression strength test. Number 1. Place specimen with flat face horizontal and mortar field face facing upward between plate of the listening machine. Apply load axially at uniform rate of 14 Newton millimeter per minute till failure occur, and note maximum load at failure. Lastly, the load at failure is maximum load at the specimen fails to produce any further increase in the indicator reading on the testing machine. And proceed with methodology flow chart. From the phase 1, we determine the problem, the title, the objective, and the scope of the study. Secondly, highlight of the study and literal review. For phase 2, we research the deployment and we monitoring work and take reading for the data analysis. For the phase 3, we analyze the data, and last phase 4, we conclusion and recommendation. And proceed with Gantt chart. This is all our activity from week 1 until week 14. For the week 1, we identify the project. For the week 2 until week 3, we collect all data from the past research. And for week 3 until week 4, we interview the user, which is Mason, Cik Zakaria, and we discuss with the factory. For the week 5 until week 6, we produce the product, and for the week 6 again, we test the product and retrieve data, and week 6 again we make a presentation one. And for the week 7, we get a user response, and for the week 7 until week 12, we made the previous preparation of slide for presentation 2. And for the week 13, we made the presentation 2, and week 14, we send the report. Okay, this is last slide from me. I want to talk about the project cost estimation. This is our minimum cost to make the brick. For the clay cost is we get RM5 ringgit. Paddy Husk 1 kilogram we get RM 1 ringgit. And for the Sawdusk is 1 kilogram for 1 ringgit. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you. I'm pass to my friend.
Okay, last but not least, for our expected results, we want to improve the strength of the brick that's mixed. Also, in strength we want to improve the durability of the brick that we mix with the Paddy Husk and Sawdust. And then had the lighten weight, which means that we want to reduce the weight of the brick from the weight of the normally. And then we design to easy to use, which means it be easy for the mason to use that brick to put at the wall or at the construction. These are the reference that we took from the Google, from the social media, and for the all resource that we got. So we put in here so you can search to find if our research is true or not. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you very much for watching our video. Bye.